How to resize multiple images at once in Adobe Photoshop. Method 2. Image Processor Method of Batch Resizing. Step 1. Open the image processor. Choose File, Scripts, Image Processor. Step 2. Select your images for batch resizing. In the first section of the image processor dialog box, you'll need to identify the images you want to batch resize. You can choose to resize all open images by selecting Use Open Images, or you can pick a folder from your hard drive via the Select Folder button. If you do select a folder, you can tell Photoshop to resize images in all subfolders as well. Just hit the Include All Subfolders checkbox. Step 3. Determine your export location. To save the resized versions alongside the originals, simply select Save in Same Location. Alternatively, you can select a different folder for the resized files. Step 4. Input your preferred image sizes. First, determine your output file type. You can choose from JPEG, PSD, and TIFF. Save as PSD or Save as TIFF checkboxes, and PSD and/or TIFF folders will be created alongside your JPEG folder. If you do decide to save JPEGs, you can adjust the output quality. 12 will give you large, great-looking photos, whereas 1 will give you tiny, low-quality results. For better color when displaying your photos on the web, select Convert Profile to sRGB. I also recommend checking the Include ICC Profile box at the bottom. Finally, select Resize to Fit, and type in your preferred file size. Note that the dimensions you dial in are maximums. So if you type in 3000 for the width and 3000 for the height, the files will be resized so that the longest side of every image is 3000 pixels. Step 5. Run the script. When you're ready, click Run. The images will be automatically opened, if they're not open already, resized, saved, and closed again. Done. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share.